Hi, pretty bird flock. So now, after having had a very yummy, sticky cucumber, pretty bird's getting all nice and cleaned up. Look at her taking a shower. Are you getting pretty? Are you getting pretty? Pretty bird. Oh, so pretty. See how she aims for the water? Isn't that funny? Like right where the shower hits. Pretty bird. What are you doing? Hi, Discus. Yeah, hi. Oh, nice. Rinse and repeat. Alright, let's go ahead and let some out. And yes, that is a sock, and it's a clean sock. Sorry, pretty bird, I gotta steal some of your water. Don't want to start having it overflow. There we go. There you go. Oh, and that razor is not real. It's a children's toy. For some reason, she likes to play with it. Here, so everybody sees. It's not real. It's a children's toy. There's no blades. Good girl. Oh, pretty. Gotta get nice and cleaned up before we get dressed up for Valentine's Day, right? Yeah. Alright, Goose Goose. She loves going right underneath the shower. Ah! You gonna get it? You gonna get it? There you go. Now she's playing with it. Oh, pretty. Isn't it funny how she keeps going in a circle? Yeah. Round and round and round we go. Good girl. In case somebody didn't hear it, the sock is clean. Pretty bird. What are you doing? Oh, so pretty. Oh, so pretty. Good girl. Yeah, she purposely puts her head or whatever part of her body into the water where it hits, into the shower, basically. I don't know what that part is called. Like, what is it? I don't know, where the shower hits. The stream, right? The stream of the shower? Anyway. rinses, and then she goes into the stream of the shower, and then she washes wherever she wants to wash. Alright, Mama's gotta let out some water again. I'm sorry, pretty bird. Hi! Are you done yet? Alright. Well, let's tell your flock bye-bye, and we'll show them later some more stuff, okay? Maybe we'll show them how you take a nap. Alright, pretty bird? Yes? Alright, pretty bird, say bye-bye. You say bye-bye? She's saying, I'm busy. I'm washing. I'm in the tub. Pretty bird. Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye. Is your body a flock? Alright, guys. Bye.